Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Seat Leon. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and the car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This is a two-owner vehicle that's got the automatic 2-litre diesel engine. Now this gives you 181 horsepower. Car's done just over 48,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.